Have you ever wondered how some YouTube channels pump out viral content daily while you struggle to post once a week? What if I told you there's an AI tool that's revolutionizing how creators approach faceless YouTube content, handling everything from brainstorming to optimization? Today, we're diving deep into TubeMargic AI and how it's transforming the content creation game for thousands of creators worldwide. Let's be honest, creating consistent YouTube content feels overwhelming. You're juggling idea generation, script writing, video production, editing, and optimization. Most creators burn out before they even gain momentum. But what if there was a way to streamline this entire process using artificial intelligence? TubeMargic AI is changing everything. This comprehensive platform addresses every pain point in the content creation pipeline, specifically designed for faceless YouTube channels that are dominating the platform right now. From viral compilation videos to educational content, this tool is helping creators scale faster than ever before. The magic starts with idea generation. Traditional creators spend hours researching trending topics, analyzing competitors, and brainstorming concepts. TubeMargic's AI analyzes millions of data points across YouTube, identifying trending topics in your niche before they explode. It doesn't just suggest random ideas, it provides data-driven insights showing you exactly why each topic has viral potential, complete with keyword analysis and competition assessment. But ideas without execution are worthless. This is where TubeMargic truly shines in the scripting phase. The AI doesn't just generate generic scripts, it crafts compelling narratives tailored to your specific audience and niche. Whether you're creating top 10 lists, educational explainers, or story-driven content, the AI understands the psychological triggers that keep viewers engaged throughout the entire video. The script generation incorporates proven YouTube formulas that have generated millions of views. It structures your content with strategic hooks, value loops, and emotional peaks that align perfectly with YouTube's algorithm preferences. What used to take hours of writing and rewriting now happens in minutes, with scripts that often outperform human-written content. Moving into production, this is where faceless content creators traditionally struggle most. TubeMargic integrates seamlessly with leading AI video editing platforms like Pictory and InVideo, creating a streamlined workflow that's genuinely revolutionary. These tools transform your scripts into polished videos automatically, selecting relevant stock footage, images, and graphics that match your narrative perfectly. The video editing integration is incredibly sophisticated. Pictory excels at creating engaging visual narratives from text, automatically syncing footage with voiceovers and adding dynamic transitions. InVideo brings professional-grade templates and animations that make your content look like it came from a major production studio. Both platforms work in harmony with TubeMargic's output, ensuring your videos maintain consistent quality and style. Voice generation has reached incredible levels of realism. TubeMargic's AI voices are virtually indistinguishable from human narrators, with natural inflections, appropriate pacing, and emotional nuance. You can choose from dozens of voice profiles, ensuring your brand maintains consistency across all content. The thumbnail and title optimization features deserve special attention. These elements determine whether your video gets clicked or ignored. TubeMargic's AI analyzes thousands of successful thumbnails in your niche, generating designs that incorporate proven psychological triggers. The title generator creates compelling headlines that balance curiosity with searchability, dramatically improving your click-through rates. Upload optimization is where many creators fail despite creating great content. TubeMargic generates SEO-optimized descriptions, tags, and metadata that help YouTube understand and promote your content. It suggests optimal upload times based on your audience analytics and provides complete social media promotional strategies. The analytics integration provides insights that most creators never consider. You'll understand not just what content performs best, but why it performs well. This feedback loop continuously improves future content recommendations, creating a system that gets smarter with every video you publish. What makes TubeMargic particularly powerful is its learning capability. The more you use it, the better it understands your unique style and audience preferences. It adapts its recommendations based on your channel's performance data, essentially becoming a personalized AI assistant that knows your brand inside and out. The time savings are remarkable. What previously required entire days now takes hours. Creators report producing 5 times more content while maintaining higher quality standards. This isn't just about efficiency, it's about sustainable growth that doesn't lead to creator burnout. Ready to transform your YouTube strategy? TubeMargic is offering exclusive access to new users. Click the link in the description below to try this game-changing platform and see how AI can revolutionize your content creation process. Your future self will thank you.